Hey everybody, it's Mag. I'm back for another shave video. Thank you for joining me again. Today we're going to do some new stuff, some old stuff for me. And I don't know if you can see out the window, but you'll see some flying snow because we're having a big storm up here in the northeastern part of the country. I'm going to get my stuff all laid out. I'll be back in just a second. So today we're going to do a shave that's going to use some Taylor of Old Bond Street shave cream. You know that I got the sample pack. So we're going to go with Taylor's Coconut. So this should be a mild scent, but not strong, but definitely can smell the coconut. I don't mind coconut in my drinks. I'm not a big coconut fan, coconut milk, but I'll shave with it. I'll give it a try. Came in the sample pack. We're going to bowl lather. We're going to put it in the Kingsley wooden bowl. We're also going to use some Preshave today, which is going to be the Art of Shaving. And this is the Unscented oil. And we also have the matching Art of Shaving Unscented post-shave balm. And then we're also going to give a shot of Aqua Velva Ice Sport. So it's a cooling aftershave. So we'll use that today. I'm going to shave with the Hagen DE Blade in my Micro Touch 1. And we're also going to use the Cremo horsehair brush. I got it soaking right here. So let me drip that out. Right? So Cremo. And yeah, it still smells like wet dog. So I'm going to wet the face. So I'm going to put some Preshave oil on. I'm going to put a dollop in my bowl and get the lathering started. And while I do that, take a look at what's happening outside right now. So guys, this is what's happening currently right now. And it started early this morning. And the bulk of it is supposed to hit within the next 10 hours or so. It's supposed to go straight through till Monday. So just take a look at the snow drift. There's not much wind, but you can see down here along where the garage was, that's definitely high. And just to give you an idea of how high this is, look, here's my foot. Okay, so we probably have, I'd say 4 inches on a snow drift, and then you're going to have probably anywhere from 6 to 12 inches of snowfall in our area overnight. So this is definitely something that happens every now and again where we live. Outside, you can probably feel the wind a little bit. I don't know if the little snowflakes are hitting the lens cover here or not, but everything is definitely snow covered. So I already had snow blowed the driveway once, and we got some snow drifts here. This is a little bit, the wind coming up right at the front of the house. Not too bad out in the driveway, but the plow went by, so you could see that we're kind of snowed in. You may hear a little bit of the wind too, because it's still blowing out there. But as expected, we got 12 inches overnight. We're here in the kitchen. Doggy, you want to go outside? You want to go see how deep the snow is? Okay. There you go. Like a jumping rabbit. Very deep. Very deep. And this is just from last night. That's the old doggaroo, Bailey. So that's pretty nasty out there, huh? I mean, we had not as bad as some parts of the country, but we have a bit of snow. I did take part of the Christmas decorations down outside, but it was so cold that there's still some left to do. They're unplugged, they're not coming on, so I just need to take them down. A few other knickknacks, I think, inside the house that we're going to take down this weekend, and we'll be all done with Christmas. So if you got a fireplace, it's nice to snuggle up and just stay warm. I know that I woke up this morning and usually around 7:30 the dog goes out and does her business, and she walked up to the doorway and she looked outside, and then she looked back at me and said, no, not for me. And then went and lay down for another hour. So I got the coconut whipping up here in the bowl. You can smell it a little bit more when it's not inside that small sampler, but it definitely is not very heavy. It's light, but you can tell there's coconut scent there. This horsehair brush is very soft, and this is only the second time I think I'm shaving with it, so it's still kind of breaking in. Pretty good quality though, because I'm not seeing too many hairs fall off. Oops, speak of the devil. There's a couple in here, but that's okay. We'll pick them out. So, not too bad, right? It's getting there. A little bit more mixing. So I hope that everybody's doing good. I have so many soaps that it's kind of become a thing. You know, I'll have my daughter come in here and she gets to pick out, you know, what soap I'm going to shave with, because I haven't tried too many of them to date, and I have a lot of them. So yeah, there you go. Look at that. Nice lather now. Nice lather. So she gets a kick out of it. I get her involved, and she gets to pick out the soap. So I'm using coconut today. She's like, Dad, how come you don't do any gaming videos on your channel? You like to game. You know, I'm an Xbox guy. You know, I'll play the most you know, popular games out there. The other thing is, I don't have what I would consider a decent setup to record. A lot of the gamers, they'll do PC, but I know that there's a Mixer and some other sites that they'll stream to. I forget the name of the one right now. I can't remember it. But they'll do Facebook Live and all that sort of stuff. So maybe in the future I'll do some game videos. It is a hobby channel, right? Gaming's a hobby. Let's get this on there. Enough talk, Mag. Let's get shaving. I still got just a teeny bit of that pimple left on my neck, so just got to be careful with that. By the way, I hope that this video is coming out okay. I was using my phone to film the other videos, and you know, because I want to attach it in front of me here, and the setup inside here is not real ideal for a camera. I mean, I could point it. I have a full-length mirror in front of me, so I could put it at the camera and we can get the reflection back, but it didn't work, because as you can see, we have like a big glass shower behind me. So I wanted to try to take advantage the best as possible. I did get the daylights, so hopefully it's bright enough. So we'll see how this comes out. It was okay when I checked it. I didn't do a huge video that had you know, 10 minutes worth of shooting, but hopefully it comes out okay. All right, micro one touch. We have the there's the Hagen blade in it, the ice tempered stainless steel blade. So we'll wet the razor and we'll give us a shave. Yeah, not too bad. It's the third use on this blade, and I do like this Micro Touch 1. It is it's a mild razor. And the Hagen blade isn't too aggressive either. Nice mild blade. So I think this is a That's a good pairing. Get a nice 30-degree angle. Make sure this is tight. There we go. There's that pimple. Using both sides of the blade. Success. No nicks. By golly, I think I'm getting it. Alright. So I'm just going to let that soak. Take my lather monster here. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Perfect. And I'm going to change up the way I shave a little bit too, because I used to go across the grain on the neck and down here on the neckline I used to scrape a little bit of razor burn. So I'm going to change it up a bit, and I think I'm going to go across the grain on the face, and then just go against the grain, because the first shave was, or to say the first pass was pretty good. I don't have a very heavy beard. I'm very light skinned and light haired, so my 5 o'clock shadow is more like a 2-day shadow. So a little bit extra cream there. I like this brush. Good brush. Okay. Perfect. Plenty left for a touch-up if I need it. All right. Pass 2. Definitely something there. You can hear it. Perfect. Yeah. Definitely, you can hear the rest of the whiskers getting cut there. There's the pimple. All right. Long hair from the brush there. Pretty good. Real nice. Okay. Let's just give a quick rinse. So I had some hot water in the sink. This is a cold rinse. There we go. I don't have an alum block, but I do have my septic pencil, and today I'm not expecting, you know, any real issues, especially on the neck. Nope. All right, Mag. Nice job. Feel a little bit, but not nearly as bad as the last couple times I've done this. Hardly any. No real pinching at all. Just like a, here I am kind of thing. So, close shave. No blood. Third time's the charm. Okay. Enough of that. So, let's do Aqua Velva Ice Sport. Let's put some of that on. No burn. No burn. Pleasant smell. Pleasant smell. Probably a bit overpowering for the coconut cream, but it was so light. You really could only smell it, you know, very, very light. Very light. So this will dissipate over time. You know, the aftershave doesn't last too long. And this has 40% alcohol. So no burn. Well, septic pencil must have did good. So now we're going to put on some Art of Shaving Unscented shave balm. And this is a pump. So we'll put this on, and our Aqua Velva Icy Sport. Nice cooling feel. Definitely a cooling feel. If I had any citrus or fruit type of aftershave or balm or anything like that, I would definitely use that. Rub this in real good. Okay. You know, I started to say earlier in the video about my cameras and filming, and I had a Galaxy S2 and a Galaxy S5, and I couldn't get the setting to work on the front camera. The megapixels were too small. The camera wasn't real good. We're talking at least 4 years old is the most recent camera I have. Now they're up to 12 megapixel and super speed and all that sort of stuff. So I've been toying with the idea of getting a new camera, but I should say a new phone. But expenses, right? So I hope this works for you. I did some testing, as I'd said, and it seemed to do okay. Hopefully the lighting is good, and it's still a little dark over here, but I'm going to see how this turns out, because I have like a floor lamp I could put here and make it brighter. So anyway, thank you for watching. Hope that you guys are having a good weekend. Enjoy yourself. Stay safe if you're in the Northeast. Don't want this storm to get the better of you. Subscribe to the channel. Subscriptions are always appreciated. Check us out on social media. Leave some comments. I read all the comments and I do write back. So I look forward to hearing from you. And I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye now.